Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Christina, your fashion and beauty advisor. In these hard times of social isolation, I wanted to share with you my favorite activities that are making my life at home easier. Basically, the first thing that I really enjoy doing is watching Korean dramas that really immerse me into a different world, and I am also getting inspired by lots of them. The most recent Korean drama that I watched was Hotel del Luna. IU's character in that drama is really powerful, and the makeup and styling is very inspirational. I'm gonna show you what I am going to recreate now, which is this look right here. This was one of the strongest moments in the drama that really touched me. So without any further ado, I'm just going to jump onto the actual tutorial. I am going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. Obviously, as IU and all Koreans have perfect skin, I really want to recreate this pale porcelain-like skin. I'm gonna set the first layer with Estée Lauder powder using this brush. When I completely finish with the foundation, I am going to jump onto the eyebrows. The foundation, as I already mentioned, it has to be flawless, has to be quite pale, so that we recreate this porcelain-like, very silky skin on the Korean actress, and especially on IU. I'll first use a brow styler. So basically the shape, this is what is going to be. I'm trying to make the angle here. Once I have the shape ready, I just want to brush it very well, because she doesn't have this Instagram white sharp look, and she also have white brownish color of her brows. So I'm gonna try to fill in with that brown color. I'm going to use the SHISEIDO Accentuating Cream Eyeliner. This is kind of a brownish color and this very fine. I'm gonna take the same color, and then here, starting from this section, would really wanna highlight. Okay, and then with a cotton bud, I want to soften, because obviously her eyeliner is very thin, but for me to create this kind of roundish shape, I really want it to extend, kind of fake the round eye instead of just following the lash line. So now I am going to use a cotton bud just to soften the edges so that I have like a shade there. Alright, for the red color on the internal part of her eye, I'm going to use 17 in color 11 Brick. Then I'm gonna take very fine brush, and I am going to use this color from the Chanel Candeur and Experience to emphasize the color. I'm gonna take the same color from this palette and use it here on the corner. Also, I'm gonna take the same color and from the inside. And up next, I'm taking a very fine eyeliner, 17 Precision Liner. Up next, we'll be taking the same palette and taking the lightest color and try to fill in the part on the under the eyeliner. And the lipstick I'm going to use will be Fenty Beauty Unlocked.